Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to Smoky Mountain RC. Guys, it's about 5:15 in the morning. I know it's dark, completely dark yet. You can't see, and it's nothing but fog, guys. Fog, fog, fog. I don't know if you guys can see back. No, there's anything going to show you back there, is it, guys? But yeah, it's completely dark, guys. I mean, it's a fog you can't hardly see, but we're going to take up the Cessna and play around in the fog, guys. So, without further ado, let's get her up and go, 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 guys. Here we go, here we go. Oh, look at that. And them fog, guys, that's sweet. Oh, that is. That's nice. Look at that lighting up in the fog, guys. That is sweet. Just touch and go. Oh, yeah. Look at the ground, guys. I mean, they light that fog up like crazy. Look at that. That's sweet. And the ground. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Let's get way out there, guys. Yeah, guys, that's sweet up there. Look at that. Oh, yeah. That's awesome. Yes, I know the batteries are low. It's fun, guys. It really is. So much fun in the dark, especially when it's foggy like this. And no, I'm not in safe at the moment. I got the lights to go by, so. Alright, guys, I guess we're gonna land her. First landing. Oh yeah. Alright, guys. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Complete dark flight, guys. So I mean, you can see the fog over yonder now a little bit, but in the lights, guys. I mean, it's foggy. It is really foggy. You can't see nothing. Anyway, guys, hope y'all enjoyed it. Pretty cool, pretty cool. I love flying in the dark, guys. Everybody's like, oh, how do you do that? I mean, you just get used to it. When I get far away, I put it in safe, or if I'm going away from it, I put it in safe, just to help out with the orientation. But yeah, it ain't that bad, guys. Especially when you got all these bright lights like that. It works pretty good. Works pretty good. So, all right, guys, till we do it again, safe flying and God bless. Don't forget that like, share, and subscribe button, guys. Sure would appreciate it. Till we do it again, bye.